following audio experiment is presented by Dark Matter Magazine. Your voluntary participation is appreciated.
The Past and Future Lives of Test Subjects by Octavia Cade. Some people call it murder. I'd call it arguable. Either way, it's less confusing to focus on the science. And they're volunteers, after all. Although how much choice there really is between the electric chair and the examination of evolution, courtesy of the current experimental nature of paleontology, is a question for ethicists and others. Don't kid yourself. Madeline stares at me from under fringe, all freckles. Her hands are cupped to the table, her fingernails bitten down to the quick. You're part of it too. There's no choice here. Your choice was made before you hacked someone to death with an axe, I say. Though, credit where it's due, you did a very thorough job. That kind of skill could help you in obtaining protein. Except I won't remember being good at butchery, will I? So, no help at all. Maybe you'll get good at it again. Small cruelty on my part, but then she won't remember that either.